Hello and welcome to latest update. Today's topic of discussion is World Tsunami Awareness Day. In December 2015, the UN General Assembly designated 5 November as World Tsunami Awareness Day. The United Nations General Assembly called on countries, international bodies, and civil society to raise tsunami awareness and share innovative approaches to risk reduction. UN Disaster Risk Reduction, which is UNDRR, facilitates the observance of World Tsunami Awareness Day in collaboration with the rest of the United Nations system. The day aligns with the International Day for Disaster Reduction, October 13, and the 7 targets of the Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction 2015 to 2030. Now let's talk about its background. The word tsunami comprises the Japanese words su meaning harbor and nami meaning wave. It is a series of enormous waves created by an underwater disturbance usually associated with earthquakes occurring below or near the ocean. November 5 is based on an anecdote and example of a good practice known in Japan as Inamura-no-hi, the burning of rice sheaves, which took place on 5th of November 1854. Japan proposed this date because World Tsunami Awareness Day is intended to serve to protect the precious lives of people. It should be associated with an example of traditional, indigenous, and local knowledge and practices such as Inamura-no-hi.